Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. Today is Easter, so happy Easter to all of you. Today I decided to make something that was comforting because I wanted something to go with my Easter dinner, so I'm making white mac and cheese. It is so good. It is the best white mac and cheese that I've made so far. So that's why I decided to share the recipe with you guys today. I'm telling you, it's really good. It's made with cashews and spices and it's rich and creamy. So let's get into the video. So for the cashew cream sauce, I added 2 cups of soaked raw cashews to a blender, along with 1.5 cups of water and 2 large cloves of garlic. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a half teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, and 1/4 cup of daiya cheddar cheese shreds. You can add whichever dairy-free cheddar cheese you like. This is my favorite. And then I'm just going to blend it all up. Here I am slicing up 1 packet of crimini mushrooms. I'm going to saute it, let it cook down, and once it's done cooking down, I'm going to add some black pepper and Himalayan pink salt. I cooked some gluten-free elbow macaroni noodles. I used the barilla ones. And I'm adding some seasoned salt, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. I added 1 tablespoon of Earth Balance dairy-free butter, but you can leave this part out. And next, I'm adding the mushrooms and the cashew cream sauce. For the barbecue chicken tofu, I'm sauteing some yellow onions. I diced up 1 yellow onion, and now I'm taking this super firm tofu and I'm just cutting it into little rectangles. I talked about this tofu a lot on my channel. This is like the best tofu for meats for me, like recreating vegan meats, because it's just so firm and it's more firm than the extra firm one, so it really gives that meaty texture. And now I'm just adding the tofu rectangles into a Ziploc bag along with 2 tablespoons of white flour, and I'm sprinkling on some black pepper and garlic powder. Then I'm just going to gently shake it through so it can coat all sides. You can use brown rice flour or any gluten-free flour if you like. It doesn't have to be white flour. I lightly coated a pan with some oil, and now I'm just going to cook the tofu on each side until it turns to a light golden brown color. Once all the tofu was done cooking, I added the onions back to the pan along with some barbecue sauce. And now I'm just gently mixing it up. And now it's time to plate everything. I'm topping the mac and cheese off with some crushed red pepper flakes. now it is time for the taste test. Now I'm doing a voiceover taste test because my family was in the other room talking and playing music, and I didn't feel like going in there saying, hey, can you be quiet and all that? So now I'm just going to do a voiceover taste test. But as you can tell by my face, this was delicious. Everything was delicious. I'm telling you, you have to make this mac and cheese. It's so good. This tofu is so good. Oh my goodness, like, no words. You have to try it yourself. The tofu and the mac and cheese go so well together. I've always been a mac and cheese and barbecue chicken type person, so this is a really, really, really good meal. But I'm going to finish this now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!